In order to customize this menu here, and these are going to be the apps that you use most often for quick access, you press the little button here in the middle, the icon that has 3 dots. You press Customize, and then you can drag any of these down into this section, and you can put up to 5 apps under My Apps. But if you put 5 apps here, it takes away from the ones that say Recent Apps. I would like, in order for me to customize mine, probably 4 in this bottom section. So Customize, and then that allows me to drag. So let's just say I wanted to put Theater here and Arcade here. And you see how Recent Apps went down to 1, but now I have 5 here, and you can X that out, and then it's memorized. So that is how you customize bottom toolbar under My Apps and Recent Apps. Thanks for watching, everybody.